Hello friends, I am Akshan Chigla and today we are going to see if you get this question in exam, that get the multiplication of following numbers 90587 into 7. So what will you do? You will do the same thing, same method you will use. First multiply 7 with 7, then 7 with 8, then 7 with 5, then 7 with 0, like this. That will take so much time. So we have a trick for that. First of all, what we have to do is write down all the numbers separated by each other and then multiply all of them with 7. Okay, multiply all these numbers with 7. And when the answer comes, the answer will come 63, 0, 35, 56 and 49. So this what we have to do is we have to follow the same trick as we followed in the table trick. If you don't know what is the trick of the table, you can see the video. I will give the link in the description also and in the I button also, so you can see from there. So what you have to do is now first highlight extreme right digit number and write it as it is. Left digit of the right side table and right digit of the left side table and add them. Something like this you have to mark. Now the calculation is going to be very simple. Okay, write the 9 as it is, as I told you. Then 6 plus 4, 10. So 0, 1 balance to 5, 1 goes to 5, carry. 5 plus 1, 6. So 5 plus 6 will be 11. So 1 as it is, 1. And 1 will go carry to the 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 as it is because there is 0. And 0 plus 4 will be 4 only, as you know. And now as we know that we don't have any number to add with 3, that's why we are going to write 3. As you know now that we don't have any number to add with 3, so that's why we will write 3 as it is and 6 also as it is. So 63 as it is. So this is the answer of, okay, so this is the answer of the multiplication. 60587 into 7 is 6,34,109. Okay, so if you have to multiply the number with 2-digit number like 90587 into 27 you can say, or 25 you can say. So for that what we have to do is, if you get, you can get this also, that you have to get the multiplication of 6 to 54 into 24. So what will be the answer? So this is also very simple. Just have to separate these numbers, split this number like this and split this number like this. Okay, so you have to write 24 up and down and 6 to 5 in horizontally, but 6 to 5 4 horizontally but separately. Okay, so now what you have to do is now write down the table of this number exact of 2 and 4. That means multiply these numbers with 2 and 4 also you have to multiply with. So 6 into 2 is 12, 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10, 4 to the 8, and 6 for the 24, 2 for the 8, 5 for the 20, and 4 for the 16. So now what you have to do is you just have to add these numbers. So now what you have to do is, now you have to write the as it is 8 because because it is extreme right side. In the extreme right side, then 0 also as it is because we don't have any number. Because if you will add 0 with 8 also, that it will be 8 only. That's why 0 no need to write. And now 0 as it is, then 4 plus 1 you have to add. The middle two numbers, in the middle which are two numbers, leave the 6 and the 4. In the middle which numbers are there, that's addition you have to do like this. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 12 as it is you have to write. Okay. So now again at the down you have to write 6 as it is. Then 0 plus 1 will be, and 0 as it is you have to write. 8 plus 2 10, so 0 you will write as it is, and 1 will go carry to the 24. 24 plus 1 25, so 25,016. Now as you can see there are two answers came. So for this what you have to write is the down number. In the down number you have to write the extreme right side number as it is 6. Okay, then you have to do cross multiplication like this. Cross like this. Okay, like this, like not multiplication, actually addition. It like up number with the down right digit number. Okay, like 8 plus 1 here is 9 and 0 plus 0 is 0 only. 5 plus 5 10, 0 will write, 1 will go carry to the 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So 1 you will write as it is there. Okay, so this is the answer of 6254 into 24. Okay, and now you will see if there is 3 digits here. In the place of 24 there is 2, 4, 5 like that. Okay, I will show you here. 73654 into 245. It's 3 digits now. 3 digits. Now what you have to do? One thing I want to tell you that we can add any number with any number. I mean multiply any number with any number with this trick. Trick is same only. Okay, not that for 2 digit different, 3 digit different, not like that. Okay, so what you have to do now is write this number like this, split it, and same trick, same thing. Split 2, 4, 5 vertically and 73654 horizontally. Now what you have to do is same thing you have to do. Write on the table of this number exact of 2, 5 and 4. That means we have to multiply this 7 with 2, 3 with 2, like 7 to the 14, 3 to the 6, like that. Okay, 7 5s are 35, 3 5s are 15, 6 5s are 30, and 5 5s are 25, and 4 5s are 20. So now what you have to do is, now like old method we have do the multiplication in the table trick. Same multiply you have to do. 8 you have to write as it is. 8 as 0 as it is. And then 2 plus 1 3. Like this you have to add. So if you know that how to do that, then it's okay. If you haven't seen our video, table trick video, I will tell you that how to do this. I will tell you 4 only because 4 is better for the to understand. Okay. So now what you have to do is 6 you have to write as it is. 0 plus 1 is 1, and 4 plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 2 as it is you have to write. Like this answer will come. Now nothing you have to do is just 0 you have to write as it is. So 6 plus 7 is 13. actually, and 1 goes carry to the 8, and then 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 1 10, then 10 plus 2 is 12, so 2 you have to write as it is, and 1 again go carry to the next number, that is 0. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8 is 15, and 5 as it 5 you have to write, and again 1 will go carry to the next one, that is 3. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 6 14, 4, and again 1 carry to the 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 9 17, and 17 plus 3 is 20. So 0 you have to write, and 2 will go carry to the 4, 4 plus 2 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 you will write there, and 1 will as it is become there. So this is the answer of the question. Our question was 73654 into 245, and its answer is 18045,230. Okay. So that's all for now. Meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.